MacBook external monitor black screen. Is the problem always the laptop? Not necessarily. When many users see a black screen or an external monitor, they'll think the MacBook, the monitor, or the docking station is broken. But in many cases, the problem may actually come from the USB Type-C cable compatibility. When a MacBook connects to an external monitor through USB Type-C, it's not just about plugging in a cable. It may involve PD power negotiation, DP optimal video output, dock compatibility, and cable bandwidth. If the Type-C cable only supports charging or only supports USB 2.0, it may not carry a stable video signal. If the cable bandwidth is not enough or the shielding is poor, you may experience a USB Type-C black screen, monitor flickering, signal drop, or display detection failure. Dock compatibility is also important. Even if the MacBook and the monitor both support video output, a low-spec dock or an incompatible cable may still cause the external monitor to show a black screen. So when your MacBook external monitor does not work, do not only blame the laptop. Check these points. Does the USB Type-C cable support video output? Does the MacBook USB Type-C port support DP Alt mode? Does the dock support the required resolution and refresh rate? Is the cable bandwidth enough for 4K at 60 Hz? Is the PD power negotiation stable? Many USB Type-C display issues are not caused by a broken device. They happen because the cable specification or compatibility does not match the application. Different USB Type-C applications require different cable specification. Starfire Attack provides various USB Type-C cable solutions for charging, data transfer, video output, docking stations, and professional display applications. Stable power, fast data, clear display. For more information, please visit www.starfirecablehubs.com